C++ arrays.
Now here we are having one integer array having the name n with 10 consecutive locations, and here the subscript or the location number will be ranging from 0 to 9. So we are executing one for loop, and the for loop is extending from 0 to 9. So int I is equal to 0, I less than 10, so I can get up to 9 only, and I plus plus I will be incremented by 1 always. Ni, that is at the ith location of the n array, I plus 100. So the value of I will be at first will be 0. So 0 plus 100, 100 will be assigned. 1 plus 100, then 101 will be assigned. 2 plus 100, then 102 will be assigned. In this way the values will be assigned accordingly. Set element at location I with I plus 100. So now here we are printing headings, that is the element and value. So if we compile our program, and if I want to show you that how the outputs are coming, so now here you see the element is the respective text. This is the respective text we are having element, and set with 13 we are having this set with 13 characters, and then value, and then endl. So here we are having 13 characters, out of them value is having 5 characters. So here in between we are having 8 characters gap, so that we are having this output in a very columnar way. So for int j is equal to 0, j less than 10, j plus plus, so again the j is ranging from 0 to 9. So cout set with 7, and then we are printing this value j. So here you see we are having this 7 is the width, and then 0 to 9 they are the single digit numbers. So as a result of that we are having 6 blank spaces beforehand, and then numbers are getting printed. And then set 13, again we are denoting, we are having this set with 13 characters, and out of them 3 of them are getting occupied by the 3 digits. So 10 blank spaces beforehand, so they are coming. So set with 13, and nj, we are printing this current value of this n array at the jth location, and endl will bring the next line, printing in the next line. So in this way this particular array is getting defined, array has got initialized, then array content is getting printed. So in this way we have explained this program line by line. I think now your conception is getting clear at this particular stage.